always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, everybody, take a look at the temperatures that we had for it today. 85 was the high in Miami. And again, as we've been talking about, February 2023 so far, second warmest. And we are looking for the potential to hit 90 degrees. If we do that next week, I think Tuesday would be the last day that we can squeeze it in. That's the 28th of February. That would be quite something. 70s right now in the forecast. We're going to start with a very warm and humid weekend here. The humidity, though, as we've been talking about, not completely out of hand. It certainly can handle it. It's a bit muggy, but not terrible. It's tolerable, right? As we take a look at the next 7 days, we'll continue to see that line pretty much staying in the same spot here. The dew points, which is what makes it feel humid, are staying in the mid to upper 60s. So I think we're looking pretty good for the next 3 days. Boy, I've been showing you this next cast here, and it has not been very exciting, I must say, because it just is that kind of pattern. We're very quiet. So we get the sea breeze coming in, a few cumulus clouds develop through the afternoon, and that's it. It has been just gorgeous weather. Too warm for some of us here. We're hoping for a little cooler air. That may be in the cards for us in March as we head into next week with a pattern change here. The problem has been, of course, this area of high pressure that's been dominating the pattern the last few days, and that continues in charge. So no big changes as I see it right now. As far as the temperatures for tomorrow morning, we'll wake up into the 70s. That will end up with numbers in the lower 80s to mid 80s by the afternoon. Marathon hit 88 today. We could get close to that again, but for the rest of us, I think we'll be in pretty good shape. All right, let's talk about the extended forecast, and we'll sit here for the next 4 days with much more of the same. And yes, the challenge cancer is coming up on Saturday already. Just 1 day left, and we'll have a good time out there running, walking, cycling for a great cause as temperatures climb up to the mid 80s. So if you're going to be doing anything outside this weekend, keep in mind we are looking for temperatures well above average for this time of year. And look at that, still cannot put a rain chance here. We're going to stay dry Monday right through the end of February. And there's that 89 on Tuesday. Again, if I'm off by a degree and we hit 90, that would be something. It's never happened here in Miami in February. Mid 80s then Wednesday and Thursday with overnight temperatures not too bad in the upper 60s.